Hi everyone. So I started on our vintage Japanese journal here, but I wanted to make a board to stick underneath the pages and stuff so people can write on it. So I grabbed some cardboard, cut it out to fit into that front pocket. I figured that'd be cool, a part of the front pocket, just because that's why I made the front pocket in the first place. But either way, let's get this done. Right? Keep it pretty straight and to that size, or around that size, I should say. Alright, so these I'm using basically as a liner for this portion of it, so it isn't where we can, again, just make it a liner there. But I do need to make these the correct size, so can't have it not fit correctly. There we go. Oh, wrong one. I'm trying to make it so you can't see the address that's being used for this, just because I am using a piece of mail. Let's just do this. There we go. And again, I'm just gluing that on so this part can't be necessarily shown when we're working on this piece. No, it can't be ripped. That's why I got white out. Okay, so if you have a piece of mail that you don't want somebody to see while you're doing stuff like this, whiteout is your best friend. Just saying. Now, just don't drop it on the floor. That'd be good. My personal issue here. So, just taking a piece of white out and whiting it out, so nobody sees that address. Best thing ever. White out. And it dries quick too. And again, I'm just using or doing this so when it comes down to, yeah, it's already dry. See? We want our board to look cool. And my hair, of course, has to go into the... I normally don't have hair going everywhere, but today I decided I was not going to have my hair up. Once in a while, I have to give my hair a bit of a break from constantly being up. But that means then, of course, I have to deal with my hair being all funky. Let's just, again, just taking it all the way across. And just in case I need another one, I'll do one more as a just in case manner, because I'm not sure if it's going to be too long or too short. Yeah, that definitely would be too short. So, happy I did that. And again, I'll go to this side. And again, we're just doing this so the sides are not going to be showing off while someone's writing. It's going to look all pretty. And you just take it and bend it over and try to squish it down as much as you can. So again, it just stays on there and is completely covered. I like making sure it's all nice and crisp looking. There we go. All right, now I'm going to take a piece here, like this. Make sure it's somewhat lined up there. There we go. Then there. And I've learned Fabri-Tac works the best because, again, I'm using my scrap wallpaper here. So I have learned that Fabri-Tac seems to work the best with wallpaper. I mean, yeah, wallpaper's always difficult, but could be worse. And again, I'm just trying to make a CAD so when someone's writing, they can write away and not have to feel like they're having issues with it. And yeah, I am kind of making more scraps with these scraps, but that's okay. That happens. But some of the scraps I can actually use up and color good, so I do like that factor. And I do think I want to add something to the side of this just to create like a tab type thing. So maybe like that, right on the edge of it. Maybe this way. Yeah. And then we're going to put the wallpaper over top of some of it too. So I'm going to set this here so I know where I'm gluing. And this way our tab is fabric, so it can get bent and everything else when it's on there or in its pocket. It's just for when you take it out of the pocket, you can you'll see what I mean in a minute here. Maybe I just do that. This way, whoever decides they're going to use it can, yeah. So there, we got our cute little tab here all glued in. This way it can slip right in here. Voila. It's in our pocket. And again, this is so then when people go to write on the paper, they have a hard surface for writing. So it's just the little board as they're writing like this. If they're going to write on this, then they have something hard to write on because it is a fabric cover. Got to do something with it when it's a fabric cover to make it look good. So, and to make it hard. So that's how that's going to work out. I hope you liked this little tutorial on how to make a fabric cover. And yeah, I honestly got through my birthday and all that stuff, which was awesome. All I needed to do was get through it, kind of a thing. I only turned 29. It wasn't like it was a big birthday, but for some reason a lot of people remembered my birthday this year, which is unusual because most people don't ever remember my birthday, which is okay. I'm not a big birthday celebration type person for my own birthday. I like doing it for my kids though, don't get me wrong. Love doing it for my kids. But yeah, that's basically all I've been up to. Enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.